Good day to you from Coastline RV Resort in Florida Peninsula. After a few days spending here, it's time for us to hit the road again. Beautiful mid-February morning, about 68 degrees, and we just finished our coffee. Time to hit the road again. So we seem to get up even before the dog people, so we're just gonna take a quick look at of the bay and rec facility. So beautiful entrance. Oh, here's the sun. So we're still gonna have sun today, looks like. Coastline RV Resort east side. Got about 26 sites here, and about a quarter mile down to the west of us there's additional 75, 80. So yeah. Here we go. That's the location. Right on the water. Well, maybe excluding this road. There's a private pier for fishing, or just kind of sitting down and watching the sunrise. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Cute little pool area. Unfortunately, pool is not heated, so it's not that useful in the winter. So there's a two-lane road separating RV park from the water. So in the last few days, we are located just about 3 miles outside the town of East Side, which is a really small village on the peninsula, on the Panhandle here. A couple of restaurants. We managed to enjoy one last night, a good seafood platter. Red Pirate. It's called Red Pirate. There's another Mexican restaurant who seems to be very popular. So also checked out St. George's Island, which is mostly vacant this time of a year. There's no tourists. There's just a few locals. Very little commercial area. And on the other side of the river, Apalachicola, or something like that. There's a town of Apalachicola, we think. Small little village with population maybe a couple of thousand, which is the same probably as it was back when it mattered in 1830s and 40s, when the cotton was king
and the river was king.
So now there's some fishing left and a few restaurants. We did have some fun. We managed to have, it was a beautiful lunch.
Oysters
in the bar that was run by people who are actually older than us, which was kind of nice. Would you say?
Yeah, they were fun.
And so Canadians. Yeah, they were. It was a good place to visit. I don't know if we could stay here a month, but a few days on the way to the west, southwest. It's really, this park in particular is one of the cleanest we've ever seen. It's a spick and span, whatever that means. I mean, they're just anal about tidiness here. On this lot, there's about 26 lots, and there's an adjoining west side part of the park with about 70 or 80 additional. Most people are month-long stays or longer. We are just a few days here, so.
Right. Good hiking. There was estuary. We biked to from our RV spot, and we hiked at Tate's Hell State Forest.
It's very quiet. There are local roads, so you can just ride the bike or run or hike or whatever. So it's very sparsely populated, which is kind of nice. It's what we like. Thanks for watching. We are rolling on, and see you down the road. Adios.